Hi, this is Gary with WaterField Designs in San Francisco, and today I'm really excited to introduce our very comfortable and highly coveted Supreme Shoulder Strap. Many of our customers have told us it's the most comfortable shoulder strap they've ever used. We set out to design a strap to help make what you carry feel lighter than it really is, something to comfort your shoulders and take a load off, so you can walk further more comfortably. At the heart of the design is a center section that contours over your shoulder, a nice long section of thick, dense neoprene. We experimented with different neoprenes, thicknesses, lengths, widths, to get the comfort just right. With 2 layers of tough 4.5 mil coated neoprene, we had enough suspension and surface area to take the load off without being too bouncy. And here's the really cool thing. Both sides of the Supreme strap are designed to be functional. To one side, we have sewn this really grippy textile, which is actually 100% recycled rubber, so it's not going to break down. The recycled rubber stretches at a different rate than the neoprene, so it moderates the suspension. It also stays planted on your shoulder, even when you're reaching out for something. The other side is slick to wear crossbody style. Just flip the strap over, and the bag slides easily from walking mode to front quick access mode. And we didn't stop there. We designed our own beautiful, super strong matte black metal snap hooks and curved metal tri-glides to give the Supreme strap a truly luxurious look and feel. The Supreme strap is available in 2 variations. For most bags, a 1.5-inch wide webbing, and for smaller cases, a 1-inch wide webbing. Both have a comfortable wide shoulder section. And both can extend as long as 52 inches and as short as 36 inches. This is our very comfortable Supreme Shoulder Strap, a fabulous upgrade to any bag and makes your travels more comfortable. And you can get yours today from sfbags.com. Thanks for watching.